Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my home on YouTube. Today's video is about how to make your clothes look effortless. So how to make your outfit look effortless. Sometimes I think that people, when they add heels or a certain type of top, they think that it's a little too dressy and too much. I used to be like that. I used to be like, the only way I can make my outfit look effortless is if I'm putting t-shirts on. Every single time I would put on something collared, button down, or dress pants, I would feel like it doesn't look as easygoing, as effortless as it should be and how I want it to look. So I've put together 3 outfits for you guys on how to make it look more effortless. They include denim and dress pants, button-down shirts, and all that. So yeah, this is again a lookbook at the end, and I will just explain to you how I have put these outfits together and what my thought process in all of this is. So if you want to watch that, then subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media at CanBeRehaul. Comment down below. Share my channel, share my video. I do put videos out 3 days a week. Usually they're Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Sometimes because of timing here and there, they're put off, but Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 3 videos a week. That's a lot. So yeah, so if you want to see how to put your outfit together and make yourself look effortless, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so the very first tip I have for you to make your outfit look effortless is putting on a pair of slides. And when I say slides, I don't mean Adidas slides, Nike slides, sporty slides, because you want to still look trendy and put together. So when I'm wearing slides, I like to usually opt for flatter ones, but you can obviously get the ones that are more like wedge styled slides. So I've actually paired it with these shoes from Zara, and they are really nice detail at the front. They've got a really nice knot in the front there, and it's a cloth material, and it's very summer beachy vibe, but they're super comfortable at the same time, but they still look like you've tried to put your outfit together, put some time into it by just adding something like this. Another tip is when you're wearing say a shirt like this one is from Aritzia. This is quite old. It is actually a t-shirt dress, but for me it was too short as a t-shirt dress and a little too long as a shirt personally, because I am a little bit shorter. So with something like this, you can either tuck it in, you can tie it in a knot, but to make it look a little bit more put together, what I did was I actually just tucked it underneath, just underneath my bra here at the bottom, and then I did the same thing at the back. So it looks flowy, nice and flowy, and it looks casual, and it just looks very effortless. It just looks like one of those nice flowy tops on top, and I think it just makes the whole outfit look so nice, even though you have a very bling bling belt on, which some people might not think that's very effortless. I love it because it just adds that little bit of an extra. I like to go a little bit of an extra, but yeah. And then the jeans, these are just my straight leg Levi wedgie jeans. So you can add heels and you can go out at night, but yeah, it's still effortless for a daytime look. So you're kind of taking something that you can wear at night and make it so effortless and so easygoing in the summertime for a really nice walk or just, hanging out with friends. Okay guys, so I think that one of the most effortless ways to put together an outfit is tying up a button-down shirt. So I love this shirt for spring and summer, especially summer, because it's very, very lightweight. It's, I guess, a linen material, and because it's not hugging onto your body, it's very loose. it won't make you feel hot in any way. So especially in those days where it's scorching hot outside. And then I just tied it up at the front. So I just, sometimes it gets a little difficult to tie up button-down shirts. Just undo a few buttons and try to tie it to the best as your ability. And then of course I still have my belt on and my favorite blue jeans, my wedgie Levi's. And I just think that the color of it, because it's blue, it's so cooling, it's so summer, it just looks effortless just when you put it on. The only difference is sometimes when you tuck it in, it doesn't look as casual and effortless as when you tie it up. And then what I did was I tied it at the front, but at the back I still kind of like tucked it into the back, like underneath the bra area, so it still looks kind of loose. And it doesn't kind of bunch up in the back area here sometimes. You know, when you're tucking in shirts, you do get that bulge of material that kind of like sits right there. And then I paired it with my, again, slides. These are a little out there, but to me, they're really comfortable and casual. They are a Jeffrey Campbell's, and I think it just kind of puts everything together, even though the details on that, the slides are silver. I just love the way it brings the belt and everything, and the jewelry, everything, because I love mixing my metals. These are the shoes that I've paired it with. I love them. I did get them from Nordstrom a few years back, but because it is a platform, it still gives you that height. And I know platforms are big time in this year, but the pearls are just giving it a completely different vibe. Love it. I love it so much. And they're super comfortable because they're really foamy to put on. Okay guys, so the last and final outfit is this top from Zara, from their limited contour collection. And then these dress pants from Aritzia, the red ones. So the reason I wanted to add dress pants into it, especially ones that are really out there with the color, the red, is because, like I said, on my channel, we like to use everything in our closet to the best of its ability. So when it comes to these type of pants, you may think that, okay, well, you kind of need to add heels to it, which, yeah, depending on where you're going, you need to add heels to it. But you can also wear it on a regular day-to-day basis as well. All you have to do is, basically what I did was I put on the Zara flats, just the slides, the ones that were in the very first outfit. And I changed the belt from the very other belts that I put something very simple, nothing too bling bling, because the pants are really out there on its own, and that just kind of like makes it more casual. And I can totally just like literally just throw on a denim jacket on top of this and be out. Like that's how casual it looks because of the slides. Now mind you, you do put on heels and it will bring it up a notch, which is not as casual and effortless as it is supposed to be in this video. Anyways, but yeah, so it just kind of like, all you have to do is add the denim jacket, and literally it's like, it like goes from up here to like down here in the casual whole thing, whatever I'm trying to say here. But yeah, that is the reason I wanted to add something like this into it, so you know that you don't have to just always wear dress pants on a casual occasion. If it's raining outside, you can put on like I would probably put on my Reebok sneakers. You can put on sneakers. If you can put on your cons. You can just put on any sort of sneakers, and it makes it more casual. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you got a few tips and tricks on how to make your outfit look very easy, very effortless, very spring-like, very casual. Yeah, and please do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media at CanBeRehaul. Like, comment down below, share my videos, share my channel, and yeah, I do put videos out every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and hit the notification bell so you know exactly when there's a video up for you to watch. Till next time, I will see you guys all later. Positive vibes out to all of you guys.